So in today's video, I have met a fellow Beamer bro, and he actually has an M550. Now this is not some sort of just stock M550. This is something that is pursuing the world's fastest M550. So a lot of shit's been done to it, but we're gonna go check it out and hopefully get a ride in it today. Nice little cold start. That scared me a little bit. That was not turning on. And N55 is so underrated, bro. Okay, so I hope you guys have been enjoying like this type of video, because obviously I can't be doing too many more mods to the 435i. They're very expensive and I don't have the ability to do them either. So next best bet, do these things, film some really cooler cars. So the fake RS3 here. Oh dude, yeah, bro, what happened there? Oh Jesus. So it's actually an A3 with some big ass tailpots, bro. That's a S. And then his M550, man. So this is actually the car we're gonna go in. All right, man. So you got this 550. What are the basic mods? Like, I'm not saying like you got a carbon fiber hood. Obviously, you see that, but like.
All right, it's full bolt-on, upgraded turbos, injectors, fuel pump, meth injection. I think that's about it, I guess. Just to get in a quick rundown. Nothing too special. We got those wheels for this. Those are the other wheels for this car.
Oh, these guys? Oh, these are the drags.
40 in the front, yeah.
All right. Shit. Oh, God.
I don't even know if you're ready for this.
I don't think so either, man. That's so loud. That ass, that's so loud. Bro, that's insane, man. Dude, I can't wait to feel how this thing's gonna perform, man. That's.
Bro, I haven't toned down because that shit. Imagine that every day.
Wait. Okay, that takes control. Ah, yeah, snow performance, baby. Wow. Well, shit. I mean, you ready?
We got the rain light.
All right. Mine doesn't work. We still couldn't get it to work, so it's great. Brand new. I've never been in a car with starlights.
Well, that's not.
I feel so gangster in here.
You got shooting stars. 3, 2, 1, boom.
Hey, first time in the M550 though. It kind of feels like a. Wait, these have massage seats, don't they?
Nah.
I'm hyped. Okay, highest horsepower car I've ever been. Like I said, it was a 850 wheel horsepower Mustang.
Twin turbo V8.
Dude, I'm hyped. Like dead ass. Like.
You just gotta let it warm up a little.
No, you're good, man. I mean, it's gonna put my 435 to shit. I'm gonna get in that car and be like, all right, well, there's no point in flooring this anymore, like, for real. Just to give you guys an idea of how insane this car was, this tablet here was meant to record all the data logs. So you're talking Fuel It, where it would measure the ethanol content, it would show you the drag you set up, it would show you absolutely everything. So this thing was absolutely gangster. So you got E53 in there right now?
Yeah.
All right.
It's just strictly for Aura, bro.
Strictly for Aura?
Strictly
for Aura. Oh, dude. Just a little bit. Hey, I'll say this. Just because I'm in the passenger seat, because you know, obviously, like, I don't normally do that. I'm a driver. All right.
That's 5% throttle.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Oh wait, that was in comfort. Oh.
Yeah, so this is comfort S, so the transmission is active.
Okay.
This is the same throttle.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo. Yeah, dude.
You're gonna see the difference, bro. We're just gonna go in increments. Now the Sports Plus. I'm just gonna do Sports Plus S.
All right. Damn, you got burbles on that long enough? Was that full? That wasn't full throttle? Dog, listen, I love burbles too, but you gotta turn that shit down. There's so many.
Down the road, but like the E50 is like where
Holy shit.
Yeah, I'll give you like mid full.
Dude.
That's also not 40.
Dude. Wow. Alright, yo. Listen, I know you're from New York. I get it. Holy shit, bro. My arms are fucking.
Hard to. Bro,
Whoa.
like holding 2 cameras and. Here, let me help you out with the hat here. But like, bro, what I love about the car is that it'll go from like being so rowdy, so fast to just comfort, like just chill.
Honestly, most comfortable seats I've ever been in. But that was also the main reason why I got the F82 seats.
Yeah.
I mean, they're the comfort bucket seats versus like the 435. Like I don't know. I just didn't like it. But
like, this is the road. This is where I always like do my shit on right here. I wonder how hard it must be to hold that camera right now. Like, I definitely do it easy, bro.
yeah. I mean, my fingers are a little numb. I'm not gonna lie, but
now you're gonna like.
Oh,
this is where the sauce is. Right
oh
here.
god. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I'll push top of this one.
Oh my. Oh. That was full throttle.
Like my M buttons have an issue where when I have too much torque, it'll just like switch the mode.
Oh god.
But like basically, like how it works is if you see right here,
Yeah.
the meth gauge, like, and we do a pull.
Dude, what the man? I love how you're so calm, cool, and collected right now.
Bro, because I get to experience this every day.
Yeah, that's
you
true.
know? So it's
yeah,
different
but
for me,
still,
it's different.
bro,
Like,
this.
There's people online that say like the N63 is a trash motor, not reliable, it's slow, but like.
Isn't the S63 the one with the injectors for the N55 and S55 where you can upgrade them?
That's the same
Correct.
thing with this N55 and N55 S63 injectors also can go into this.
Oh really?
That's what's in it right now is the M6 injectors.
No, the beautiful car for real.
Yeah, bro.
Like, I appreciate you taking me on this because this is actually insane.
Now you get to drive it back, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you I'll let you drive
Alright.
it back, remember?
All right.
Bro's about to drive.
Hey, I'm not gonna say no to it. I also am very respectful of people's cars, so I want you to know that.
There's nothing that you can do that I haven't done already in this car.
I mean, that's
Like,
true. That's true. But I also, you know, this is literally 2.5 times more horsepower than what I'm ever used to. All right. Why did I get it?
Oh, so
What button?
for this, you just go here first, click this down, and then pull back.
Alright.
That's like the safety precaution.
Holy shit!
Do
It's
you see this? Do you see the sensitivity?
Yeah.
Yo, low key, that shit got me like. Now we're about to get my reaction.
Dude, I barely.
Comfort D is doing that.
I barely did anything. Whoa.
That's not even Sports Plus.
Oh, it's not?
This, yeah, do it in this. This is where the money's at, right here.
Oh, it says individual though.
Yeah. And the individual, you have it's like the proper setup.
Dude, whoa.
How you understand, like as they're driving it, is when you understand what it is.
Dude, you gotta turn the turbo down.
Oh, 100%.
God damn, bro.
You actually can't hold the camera.
No, you can't. And then your hand goes numb, bro. This is like.
Yeah.
Woo! Jesus Christ, dog. It's like I'm dead ass, I'm not going full throttle. If I go full throttle,
Go go to the click, bro.
Dude, it's just... I'm gonna get my 435i, and it's gonna be a Civic.
Nah, bro.
This thing doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense.
Overall, what do you think about the M63, bro?
I mean, it's on dead ass. Completely honest with you, first V8.
First V8?
First V8. I'm not even kidding. First V8 I've ever done anything on, and this is wild.
Like, honestly, man.
I wish you had anti-lag on this thing.
Huh?
I wish you had anti-lag on this thing.
Anti-lag? Yeah, man. If I had anti-lag, but like at the same time, bro, after 100 is when it heats, bro. To be honest, like
I'm not even sure if I could go that fast, props. Like my hands are tingling, bro. It's like, dude, these fucking turbos, man. Ready? God damn.
you for real feel that, like, right here.
I'm done, bro. I literally, I'm
Back to comfort.
yeah. Jesus Christ, bro, my hand's tingling. Like dead ass. It's weird.
And I want you to know that this map is only 40% of what the car is really about.
Really?
Yeah.
So okay. So realistically, how much horsepower are you pushing, just like with Sport Plus and everything?
Like on this right now, probably 700.
That's it,
Yeah, that's it. But
bro.
the power delivery is where the money's at, bro. Hey, Loki, do you think you'll be able to do a launch?
Probably.
Alright, leave it in ESC off. And then, alright, it's just brake boost. It's
Alright.
a second hand.
Oh, it's just brake boost?
Yeah. Are you ready for this, bro?
No.
Bro's not ready for this.
Dude, like even if I put a turbo on mine, it's not gonna do shit now.
Yeah, Loki, yeah. Alright. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Holy
Yo.
fucking! I had to let out, bro. I had to. Holy, dude! Like no dead ass. Like there's no faking anything. Like this is fast. This is fast. Like
Bro,
good
and now,
for you. Like dead ass. Good. Like seriously, good for you. Seriously, like
appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Here, one more time for the camera.
That's insane. That is an A3. Wow. A3. Huh?
Want to see the engine bay?
Yeah. So he has converted this thing into an RSP looking thing, but like you can't tell. Wow. Oh my god, man. This is big ass turbo and everything, dog. We have a dream garage here, right?
I mean, bro, it's nothing special.
Says it's nothing special yet. These two are just in his garage. Sounds like this. Every man's dream. So this is on 93.
Nah, it's on E45. We're about to go blend a fresh tank of E50.
You know? I've never seen anybody do that.
Really?
Dead ass.
Really?
Swear. Yeah. That'll be the first time I ever see someone mixture.
Hey, bro, like,
Hey, you know, there's a first for everything, alright?
in person.
You like my engine bay?
Hell yeah, bro. I saw that shit on TikTok, bro. I'm like, damn. I didn't think that was yours. Oh, I know this guy. It's Mason.
God damn. Whoa, that was sick. Wait, dude. This thing's a little go-kart. Little Alpina. Have I showed you my engine bay?
Nah, I saw it on TikTok.
Ah.
We still gotta pop the hood.
Dude, that sounds fucking insane.
Yeah, bro, this just sounds nasty, bro.
Okay, truthfully, would you rather intake noise like that or would you rather exhaust? Because I'm more of a
This car
50.
got both, bro. I got like nothing like this car.
You see, I'm more 50-50. I'm more like, let me hear some of that, but then let me hear like most of this stuff up here, because that's when you know you're
I
like.
love the front. Like, on this car especially, bro,
Yeah.
the intake noises is unbeatable. So
Okay, so chat GBT, so you can know your fuel mixtures.
yeah, bro. So mix E50.
126 actual. Target is in the main house. You have execute authority.
So now it's gonna just. The thing is, you gotta get all the variables.
There's no way.
Because it's gonna have 13-gallon tank and then
Right.
do everything and then do the math and all the variables and shit. Get it done.
Bro, but see, today,
7 gallons at E85 and then 5 gallons at 93, and you should get about E50.
do you actually trust this?
Bro, I do it all the time.
That's just wild to me that AI could do that, like that ass. I mean, this is what I'm saying. I don't use ChatGPT. Okay, so you put E50.
Yeah, still, gauges still adjust. We'll either see if we didn't do it good or not.
Oh. Oh, this thing gets out. Dude, you know how you said you'd love to see this one against the 430?
Yeah.
I think this would still beat it.
Really?
100%.
Damn.
I was watching the speedometer. I was like, yeah, it's about the same. Because I
But,
think
like,
you're also lighter too.
This is the weight reduction. But like, we got the same carbon front end, fenders, bumper.
Those don't really weight reduct you at all, bro. It's
Wait,
like
yours is heavy?
yeah, I'm like an extra 3 feet longer than a sedan, the Grand Coupe. So it's like I got more torque,
True.
but I'm heavier.
True.
That sounds fucking insane.
From outside, bro, sounds so nasty.
Imagine it. Yeah, you oh my god, yeah, you beat me. 100%. I think off the line I'd beat you.
Yeah, just when it builds that boost.
Yeah, but like when you build that boost, that's when I felt it, for sure. Because my jumps are pretty good.
Yeah, bro, because the thing is,
I
like,
grip.
the way the boost, because it's a bigger turbo.
Right.
So like it's got lag.
Yeah, I mean it takes longer to. God, dude, it sounds really good. If this was my car, I'd probably daily this.
Yeah.
See, perfect amount of verbals. Maybe a little bit more would be better, but. Oh, we're at E50. Oh shit.
I told you, bro. I wish I had the 335 in working condition, bro. That car is so fun, bro.
That's yeah.
The manual 335.
Oh, sorry. That's why I use paddle shifters to make myself feel a little bit better.
Hey, you don't drive manual?
No, it's
Wow.
auto.
No, but I'm just saying, like, cause I have.
What is my point in doing this? There's no point.
Bro, trust. That car, bro, it gets down. Like, cause I have a manual E90 335.
Yeah.
That car, bro, is so fun. I started doing drifts and burnouts in it. Another clutch one.
Oh, we'll see. That's where I was thinking about getting that 340. So I wanted that a little bit of power for like easy. Yeah, but like,
Yeah.
I mean,
Price point.
but yeah, I was like, that's why I was like, I probably should just go with the M4.
Rap with a certainty.